Hi everyone, I have had a lot of facial massage videos. I've put up a lot of content on my Instagram channel and the link is in the bio, so check that out. So because they're short snippets of videos on my reels, they're really super effective, great for quick fix massage movements. But I wanted to share, as really requested by a lot of you, is a full no talking massage video which is going to really show you in real time how to do a really good lifting massage. So if you watch, you're going to see the technique I use, the time amount that you would ideally want to use, and the sort of pressure points that you need to do. The mama points are really effective for reducing stress levels, reducing tension in the facial muscles, and also alleviating any other concerns that you may have, because mama points are super amazing because they work on a higher level of the nerves and the muscles in your body, so it's really going to contribute to your overall health. Facial massage is really beneficial, so I can't talk more about it, but you can try it for yourself and see the difference. It has anti-aging benefits, lifting massage movements, relaxation. All the muscles in our face are super tense, and we use our muscles in our face more than we do our body. So you can imagine on a day-to-day basis how much tension your face is carrying, especially the jaw, which kind of helps, gets affected with teeth grinders, and when you're stressed, you're clenching and you're getting really tight in these areas, so you do need to loosen them up in a way. So this is one version of face massage. Check it out, it's in real time, watch it till the end, and just know that this may be a shorter version of what I do in my treatments, in my professional treatments, but this is a guide, so it's worth trying. So I'm going to grab my Beautyfull D'Angelova face balm, which I love to massage with. You can use an oil, you can use cream, but you do need a little bit of a glide to slip, so this massage balm is good. Enjoy. I'm going to stop talking. You can just watch and copy along with me. Save the video for later, like and subscribe, and definitely keep coming back and getting more tips for your self-care, skincare. Enjoy. I'm just holding this for a few moments, doing some deep breathing.